Unpacked and divided into 3 parts. The main body of the shell, the left and right rails. Start of installation. Use a laser level to measure whether the frame is vertical. Use a tape measure to check that the frame is the same size as the curtain. Split left and right rails. Split into lower track, upper track, plastic track. Put the lower track in the frame. Mark the hole in the lower track with a marker. Use a hammer drill to cut holes in the marked locations. Take out the screw sleeve and insert it into the hole. Insert the lower track into the housing and cover bracket. Tilt the roller curtain into the frame. Use a level for horizontal calibration. Fasten the track with screws. Take out the plastic track. The end with the triangular opening faces up. The triangular opening is inserted into the pull curtain. The sponge on the plastic track goes into the track. Take out the upper track and the lower track for assembly. Notice that the sponge is also packed into the upper orbit. Take out the hex socket screws you removed earlier. Reunite the upper and lower tracks. Remember to put back screw hole rubber plug. Power up the roller curtain. Take out the remote control. The down key controls the curtain descent. Up key controls the curtain rise. The pause button controls the curtain stop. Installation complete.